Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and you have a fabulous October so far. In today's video, we are going to show you a couple of tips on how to navigate Pinterest for business, like how to navigate your current profile. As you can see, and we all of us see every day, Pinterest is changing a lot, and as you can see also the search engine tools is disappearing every day, so you need to really learn how to master Pinterest. So let's start for your main profile that is constantly changing. First of all, we go by business here, and as you can see we have the Business Hub. Business Hub is all your top pins, your promoted pins and your organic pins, or you have a lot of information over there, guys. It's giving you a lot of information on Pinterest on how to maximize in sales. There is a lot of content in there, including how to get the right keywords, because the search engine tool is disappearing every day. So you really need to learn how to master the smart feed on Pinterest, because Pinterest is changing. You need to learn how to optimize your pins and also your ads. So Pinterest Hub is a Business Hub is really the best place to be, and as you can see inside is really giving you a lot of info on how to maximize your Pinterest sales. Then you have your home feed. Now home feed is exactly what it says. It's all the pins of your smart feed. It's people that following you or your followers, people you are following, and also people that following or things that you are interested, and anything maybe you are searching, or maybe pins that you have saved, and also the promoted pins, like this one is promoted pin. So you see everything based on what your interests are. Now then you have the created button, and you have here the create pins, create ad, and the new one is the creating idea, of course, your videos, your pins, and you get you to the campaign platform for creating ads. You need to also know how to do that, and it's giving you ideas, here how to create a pin with the videos. To be honest with you, I like animated pins. I don't want to see like Pinterest becoming TikTok, if you know what I mean. So from my point of view, because that's why we like Pinterest, because the pins are beautiful and we like to see beautiful images, let's be honest. Then you have the analytics, and here honestly you really have to master analytics in order to check how your profile is performing. And also, to be quite honest, you need to master analytics because it's giving you a lot of insight on how to increase visibility on Pinterest and how to increase your visibility in the smart feed. So there are a lot of details. For example, the overview is how your account is doing in generally for 90 to 120 days. Then you have the audience side. This is very, very useful now that you might struggle to find the right keywords. It's giving you all your audiences, their age, the interests, everything you need to know to master, and increase your Pinterest visibility. And then you have your conversion inside. I'm a conversion girl. I like to make sales and convert everyone into my list and make sales straight away rather than waste the time. So that's my favorite. You have all your sales is showing you like how many people you have converted, what sales you have done, and sometimes it might take a bit of a time to update it, but it's correct 100%. And also, it's giving you more insights on your audience, on, why they click on the pins and everything. So you really need to learn how to do that. And it's helping you to understand your revenues and how to change accordingly. Inside my course, I explain all of those because you really need to know how to, convert clients and check your performances, like you're performing your ad performances, your pin performances. You need to learn how to do that in order to be successful. And then you have the videos and trends. Trends are very important as well when you can find the right keywords, and also how, your videos, how they're performing. And you need to make sure you learn how to do those. Then you have your ads, everything about ads, creating the overview, the reporting, all the reports, the conversions, the audience, billings, catalogs, recommendations. And of course, we're always recommended, don't forget that Pinterest went public, and it's very, very important for you to spend some, money, some budget on ads. I have a free course that I'm updating at present, and with useful informations, because you really need to know that the majority of accounts that are doing very, very well, they're using ads. And the other thing is that inside my course, I do share all the tips and secrets, because you need to learn the secrets. You need to understand that you're having problems on Pinterest. You don't have sales because you don't have a strategy on what to pin for the next 3 to 6 months. I mean, you need to think about the new year now. Slow down a bit. I mean, everything for me is pinning, but I have a lot of my blog posts that I haven't pinned yet. I'm starting, creating the designs, and then because it's getting a bit like, now it's Christmas. I mean, we're in October, but soon it's gonna start getting, people already bought what they bought, so they're preparing for the new year. So you really need to understand that you need to know how to grow your Pinterest account steadily. If you hear around, Pinterest has changed this, Pinterest changing that. Well, the thing is, you need to master the smart feed no matter what. And you need to have a steady growing on traffic. And you need to make sure you get the right traffic, the right audience, in order to and conversions, get sales, and have a steady income. If you don't have a steady income, then you don't know, what you're doing, and then you probably get suspended, you probably disappeared, and you wasting, your time on Pinterest. So you need to think about that. And as I say always, guys, don't forget that you need to know what you want from Pinterest. Go check and watch all my videos again and again. You need to know what you want from Pinterest. Do you want views? Go after the views. Do you want just traffic? Because you have ads. I am going to do a video on ads as well in the future and tell you what is good for you. But if it's not what you want, go after that. If you want sales and conversions, you need to go after sales and conversions. So, and make sure you're increasing your traffic every month. If you don't do those things, then, you're not going to last long on Pinterest. You're going to be stuck in the same, mindset. Oh, Pinterest is changing. I lost my account, or I don't get my pins are not good enough, or, I don't know what to do, and this and this. So you need to have a plan and a strategy. So this is for you, as you can see here, all the beautiful pins. And then you have today. I'm interested in these new picks, or what to do today, or if it is an important day. You can see it here. You have a lot of ideas. To be honest with you, Pinterest is helping us a lot now with all those tips. And then again, you have the search engine tool here. You have the notification bell. You have also here all the settings for your business account if you want to add another account. And you add support and all these, terms and privacy. So it's pretty simple, and you should spend some time navigating on Pinterest and become a little bit more comfortable and enjoy it. It should be fun, because let's be honest, guys, we like Pinterest because it's good for images and more people are coming in, so we have plenty audience. So that's it for me today. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below if you need anything, or if you have any question. You can connect with me on the social media, and I wish you well.